Here's a quick tip with regard to temporary tracking in BricsCAD. When you start a line and maybe you're not in ortho and you want to go to ortho, so you press shift middle button, it actually starts TK or temporary tracking instead of just switching to ortho. And so now when I click my point, it just puts a temporary tracking point. I have to hit right click in order to finish the line, and it just throws off the flow of drafting. And so to get that turned off permanently, you do CTRL-M-button and change that to 0, and then you can cycle your ortho on and off, and that temporary tracking never comes up. So hope that's helpful. Thanks so much.